Oh, that's the volume right now?
No, that was the volume
Okay.
from yesterday. This one.
Is that it right there?
That's right.
That's the one on YouTube?
Right now, this is on Facebook.
Why does it do that?
I don't know.
That's the one on YouTube? I don't know. Settings.
Test.
Echo?
No, I just switched it to another.
Another mic.
Yeah. Test.
Echo?
No, I just switched it to another.
How's that? A mic?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm also running still has an echo. How's that? A mic? There's one too, but I'm also running. How about if I get close here? Would that help?
I think it's this one. That's okay.
Is that mic there? I think the mic's on. Hello. Is that mic there? Okay, well, maybe I think you may be running all these mics at one time.
Unplug it. What is a Black Magic mic?
You're running all these mics. These are all here. They're all running to the bottom right there.
I know, but you have this is a Black Magic mic,
Okay.
and you have
There should be two.
Intel something.
That's that one there.
That's the Intel one.
Uh-huh.
So this is your Black Magic.
Yeah.
Mic. So
Now, hold on. Before we do that, I think everything's running to the board there. So how many connections you have there? Look, run those two down. Number 2 and 3. Yeah. Okay, let's try it there. Test 1, 2. That's it right there. It was picking up the. It was picking them up, right? Yeah. That about right? Sounds right. Okay. All right, so we're doing a retake. What's that?
you are good.
Okay, so we're doing a retake from the morning because the audio didn't come out, so we're doing that right now. All right, so I see a bounce here at 68. Okay, so if it was going to go through 68, this is what has to happen here. So you have weakness. So price has to come up. Remember, we talked about price has to come up. Well, now price has to come down to this area here. Has to retrace. There it is right there. There's a retracement right there. There's a go long button right there. So this would show you. Now remember this, anything against the trend is just anything against the trend is just a scalp. And anything that's sideways that you're playing the top and bottom, those are also scalp. So price would have to, okay, so let's redo price here. Can you guys hear me out there? All right, just want to make sure. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this here, right? Because it's bouncing right there. So it's coming back into this area here, as you can see, right there. So I'm going to move this out of the way. So you don't want it to come back more than 30%. If it comes back 40, 50%, that's a bad pattern. That means it's going to sell off. So this is showing to right there. This is, it already went through. So that area right there was showing you that it's a breakthrough, but also it's a buy limit in that area. So I personally see it, man, I see it at 74 again. That's a crazy thing. I see it at 74. And the thing is, you're chopping though. You have a low, never came back to confirm the bottoms, right? And then you had a bounce. So your bounce was at 69, 70, 71. So it ran like 2.5 points, 2.25 points. So this is going to run now. So you have the engulfing bar, you have the hammer. So this is going to run. Here we go. It's going to push here. Let's see. This is going to push. So check this out. You have the engulfing bar, you have a hammer. So if this closes into a hammer and doesn't close solid here, this is going to go up. It can do whatever it wants, but it'll be a retracement because you'll be offset. So let's just say that the price, let's just say you're offset here. So that would give you a target of, let's see where we're going. This would give you a target of 73. To me, it's 72.50, but it would be 73 to target. So all you got to do is get through it right there. There's your target right there. So let's make some notation. This is going to beat me too. Before I put the target on there, it's going to beat me. Let's see. So I'm going to start, let me see, I'm buying. I'm going to start selling some of my, I'm going to start hedging here. I'm going to get some of my position out of it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Man, this thing's slow. So here we go. We're going to hedge a little bit out of this trade here. There. So. Okay. So there's your target right there. So I still believe it's going to go to 74. So I'm just going to make some notations here. I'm going to put target. Let me see. I still believe it's going up. So I'm just going to make some notations here. Let's see. Like I said, this is probably going to beat me before I get up there. I just changed this battery and it's no bueno. So this is your target right there. So even if you're offset again, okay, so check this out. Even if you're offset there, you got a new target here. So let me move this out of the way. So let's see. You got support, you got resistance. So let's just see where you're. Let's just predict. Let's just get a projection of where it wants to go. If it gets there, we'll see the candles. We'll see the retracement. So it's going to 74. So I'm going to move this up to here. Going back to 74. Back to 74. There we go. Back to 74. So this is the target right there. That's our target. Come on, get up there. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so I'm going to get out of that trade there. Okay, so God, this thing is slow today. What's going on here? There you go. All right, let's see if we can get a little push here. We're going to try to make $100 on this trade here. So I believe it's going to 74. That's predicted target, right? 74. You got retracement there. So a couple $100 for me would be good here, just on this little trade here. I do see some resistance at 73. Let me see, where are we at? I still see some resistance at 70. It looks like 73.50. So see what it does here. So check this out. You got a hammer, engulfing. Hammer. Man, this should push. This should continue. So price comes in. I'm going to write this out real quick. I'm going to script it out. Price comes back in. Price comes back. Price makes a retracement here. And the price goes up here. Price really should be somewhere up in here. It's struggling there, but it really should be somewhere up in there. Yeah. Like I said, we're looking to make a couple $100. If we make a couple $100, we're good on this trade here. We're good. Like I said, the target is 74. We got some resistance at 73.25. I believe it's going to pop here. I really do. So even if I took these off, let me see, give you a better picture. So if I ran this here in this area here, so this would be your target. 74.50 is your target. So, oh man, come on, baby, get up there. Let's get up there. Well, not all trades are the same. They're totally different. Each trade. Each trade is different. You got resistance. I mean, I see resistance at 73.25, 73.25, 73.50. But if he can hit 74, retrace 74. So you would have to go through 74, retrace 74 to get the trade right. So what would have happened is 74 would be support. 74 would be support. Look what you got here. Oh, look what you got here. This is nice. Here, look. So price comes in, retraces, offsets you here. So now you're offset right here. Look. You're offset right there. So your new target would be here. This would no longer be the target. This would be your target right there. That would be to the upside there. Beautiful. So price should push up here. Price should push up. So what I see here is, let me see. So actually what I see here is, let me see, straighten this out. I see here a little battle here. So price would have to come up to here. So price has to come up, retrace, and then take off. So here we go. Let's see what we got over here. So we're up 200, 400. What's going on here? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo, 400. Okay, so we're trying to reach here. So this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to, let me get this out of the way. So we are trying to do this here. Trying to go from here to here. This is where we need to be at, right there. Then price is going to retrace back here. Right? And then what is our next goal from here? What's our next step? 74, 74, 75. So this would be it right there. But this is your target right there. So your estimated target from here to here, that's your target right there. It's struggling here, but we're looking to push. We're looking to push right here. We're looking to push right in there. Come on, baby. Get up there. Come on. Get up there. Break it. Break it. Pop it. Pop it. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. There you go. Get in there. There you go. There you go. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. So we need price. We need price to come to. We need price to come to 73, actually 74. So let's see what happens here, man. This is going to be interesting here. This will be interesting. Come on, baby, get up there. Come on, get up there. What are you hesitating for? Come on. What's going on there? I see what you're doing. I see what you're trying to do. Come on. So this is still a push to the upside. Why is it Why is it doing this? I don't have an idea. But look at all the candles here, guys. Look at all that weakness, 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 pushing down, pushing down. Now they're taking profits. So good. These guys are taking profits there. You got a hammer there. You got a hammer there. So let's see what happens here. So you got support there somewhere. You got support here somewhere. This is your support line right there. So, all right, let's see what plays out here. So this is actually what got to happen here. So that I'm gonna close that out right there. We'll come back to this real quick. So you got resistance here, right? We got resistance here. Got resistance right there. We got support here. So let's see what has to happen here. Price comes in this way. That becomes a bounce, right? Price comes in this way. This is a previous bounce there. That's a previous bounce right there. Boom, boom, boom. Price has to come back in this area. Right in here. And this is just to see price go up. We're not saying it's not going to go down. This is just for price to break to the upside. Right in here. So that's the price right there. So you would cross in here. So this would actually be a buy. I'm going too far with this thing. This would be a buy limit right there. Okay, so let's see. Why did it stop here? Why did it stop there? Why did it stop here? Why? What are we looking at? Okay, so let's do some reloading with history. See what's going on there. It's still loading. Okay, I'm loaded. There it is. So this is offset here, so let's see where we're at right there. We're gonna let it run there for a little bit, guys. I'm gonna take a quick break, get some coffee. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Come on, get down there, get down. Come on, get down there. If you're gonna hit it, hit it. You're gonna hit it. So this is where it's going. This is where it's going right there. It's a pivot right there. That's also a bounce. Okay. Let's come back in here. This is still a downtrend, guys. This is still a downtrend. This is still a downtrend. This is still a downtrend. Any way you look at it, it's a downtrend. Still pushing down. Still pushing down. So let's see what's going on here. Nope, that's a new low. So I'm going to take a break here. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, man. My back hurts. Ooh. Ooh. I wonder if I should put the mic on the camera. Do whatever. Things a little close. Morning ahead. And my coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, Harvard. We're meeting the pastor in the same place.
Yeah. I gotta remember to get off on 90.
Oh, yeah, no, you're right. Right, I see. Okay, guys, this is going to push. Here's the bounce right there. This is where 70, this is where you go long. So there's probably going to be a retracement before you go long. So just to let you guys know there. Let me see where we're at here. So I'm going to make some notations here. This is the area there. Let me see. So man, why do I keep seeing 74? I see 74 as a target. This is your first level here. This would be the first level. This is your first level here. So price comes down. Yeah, price comes in here. So it makes a retracement. So we're going to put them down here. Let's see what's going on. So even if it's a retracement, it's still a push. This is what I want you to see. This is one of the things that I see, that it would have to break because you got weakness. So price has to be solid there. So let's see where it pushes back. This is going to push back up. So here you go. So here you go. Let's get a target, a valued trade. So it's saying it's coming up in that area, or it's going to try to go up in that area. Okay, so let's see where it's going to push. Bum, 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 bum. I still don't want to give up, huh? Still don't want to give up. So there you go. New target. New target. Let's see where it's going to end up. Because look, you got a engulfing bar, you got a hammer, so this is going to push back down. So we're going to have to discard that. So we got a new low. So let's see what happens here. It's crazy. I thought I would push up, but it's not pushing up. Super mixed signals. So from here to here, you're only going to 71. Huh. Oh. All right, guys. I'll be back in a second. This should push up. I don't know why it's not pushing up. You got a hammer invert. There it is. Right, baby, get up there. Get up there. So price would have to come up. 70, there it is right there. And I just put a new battery in this thing. New battery. Now we're getting chopped up. Getting chopped up. Let's see what we got. Put a buy limit right there. Here, buy limit. All right, we're getting chopped up here. No trades. No trade zone. What time do you have, Soph?
10:35.
So it'd be a breakout. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. 44.67. I got 44.67. All right, here we go, guys. Man, it's struggling here. So 74, guys, back to 74. Back to 74. Back to 74. Back to 74. Come on, baby. Get up there. Back to 74. Come on. Get up there. 74, 74, 74. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 74. 74. It's been a weird day. So hammer, 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 engulfing, inverted, engulfing, hammer, 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 engulfing, engulfing. So this could be a nice little retracement. Let's see what happens here. This could be a nice little engulfing bar to the upside. So let's see what we got. Come on, baby, get up there. Come on, come on, get up there. Get up there. Let's go, let's go. So we got an engulfing bar, we got a hammer. So this should push up. This should give us a little push to the upside. It should push up here. Waiting for a little push here. Come on, there you go. Waiting for a little push. Engulfing bar, closed bar, and then you had a hammer. So let's see where we're going. Let's see where we're going. Can't give up on it just yet. It's definitely doing what it wants to do. Come on, get up there. I want to see a retracement here. I want to see this thing take off like a rocket here. Straight up, straight up. Let's see. Let's see. Volume is up. Price is up. Candles are indicating. It's crazy because the candles are indicating down. Volume is indicating up. So you got mixed signals here. So this is good. We're just gonna have to wait it out. Oh, now look at this. How pretty is that right there? Let's see. Let's see if it closes. See if it pushes up here. So it has to push to right there. It has to push right there. Come on, baby. Push up there. Come on. This is a weird day today. Weird day. So you got the direction to the upside and prices going down. So they're definitely doing what they want to do. Back to the trade, no trade zone. Okay, so let's make some new notations here. We're going to move them up a little bit. Adjust these notations here. So they should have pushed up. They should have definitely pushed up in here. I should have pushed up. That hammer right there should have pushed it up. Should push it up. Look what's going on. So it's wanting to go down to 64, 68, 25, 68, 25, 68, 25. So that's where it's showing it wants to go. So that's what it's showing. So this is your target anyway. Anywhere you look at it, that's your target. 68.25. There's a bounce. Is there a bounce at 68.25? Actually, 68. 68. Wow, 68. All right, so let's see what it does. It's going to do what it wants to do. It's going to do what it wants to do. It's going to do what it wants to do here. Come on. Ba-da-ba-bum. Bum, 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 bum. It's struggling here. It's struggling. So support is 68.25. 68.25. Let me move that up a little bit. 68.25. That's support. That's your resistance. So let's see what we got here. Let me see what you got there. 20, 20, 20. This would be, this should actually be support here. Let me see. So you made a new support, breaking support. Wow. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. So this is support there. Next line of resistance is going to be right up in here. So this will be resistance. Let me see. Went too far. I think I need a. I just changed this battery. Still messing up here. Come on. This should be your. This would be your no trade zone. This is your breakout. So 67 is a breakout. All right, let's see what we got there. Okay. This is a breakout, so this is what has to happen here. Price has to come back down this way. Mm-hmm. So price would come back. In here. This is no good, no good, no good, no good. So it's going to make its own line of support there, right? So it's open. And it just changed his battery. Just change his battery. Let's see what's going on right now. Wow. Could it be my mouth? Mm-hmm. So we got mixed signals here. You got your candles pushing up and you have volume down. Your fibs are to the bottom. So wow, they're doing whatever they want to do today, that's for sure. Yep. Man, I can't even trust this to the upside. I never got the right candles to push. And I got weakness. So, wow. Oh, let's see how far this is going to go. All right, we're going to take a break here real quick, guys. Let's see how far this is going to go. So you got resistance here, so price has to go through resistance to retrace. What time you got, babe?
15.
Okay. I'm going to get out of this trade here real quick. Let me see where I'm at. Let me get out of this trade. This thing's struggling to break 69 here, 69.50. Why? I do not know. It should struggle at 70 and a quarter. Man. What are you doing? What are you doing? Should be pushing up, bro. Should be pushing up. There you go. Push. There you go. 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 Come on. Come on, man. It's about time you run. Let's go. Why are you not pushing? This should push up to 71. 71. 71 is a target. $71 is a target. Come on, what are you doing? Come on. So once it retraces 71, this should retrace to 71. Man, these guys are chopping the market big time. They're going through supports and resistance. This should have pushed up. This should have pushed up right here. This should go up. So they should take out 71 without a problem. Why is there a problem here? There's a problem here. I see resistance. I see the resistance here. I see it. But you got an engulfing bar with a hammer, so this should have took off. There it is right there. Come on. Come on. Dude, come on, man. You should be taking off, bro. Oh, man. What's going on with this thing? Am I not seeing something here? There you go. 71. Look at the way it just stops, man. There you go. 71. 71. Come on. 71. 71. Come on. Don't stop, baby. Don't stop here. There you go. 71. 71. 71. 71. Come on. 71. 71. 71. Come on, baby. 71. 71. Here you go. Why are you stopping, bro? Come on, man. You got plenty of room. You got 71. You got 72.50. What are you doing? You should be pushing up. Come on, man. What the heck? Oh, man. There you go. Right there. There you go. You should break through that. Oh, man. I'm out of there. Man, the market is doing whatever it wants to do this morning. That should have been a push. You got to push, push, push. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the class already. I got to head out. What time is it? Oh, it's already 11? All right, guys. Let me see. Let me get back on my headset here. All right. If you're going to stay in this trade, check this out. I'm going to just walk it through. So this is still going up. Don't let it fool you. Don't let it fool you. This is still going up. You got a W here. So this is going up. So your next level, can you guys hear me? Okay, so this is going up. Don't let it fool you. This is going up. It's going to go up. This is just a little retracement here. So this is the strongest part of resistance. So, and this was your target anyway. So when it breaks here, your next level is going to be 72.50. After 72.50, this is going to go up, guys. This will go up. After 72.50, you have 70. Looks like you got 70. Ooh, man, this is going to be close. This is going to be interesting. Interesting. Whatever you do, don't sell. Don't sell just yet. Just hang tight. Let's see, guys. Just wait. Let me see. So your next level would be, what's going on with this mouse? Can't be that the battery, I just changed the battery. Okay, so that's your target, second target. And then you got a third target. I'm more than sure it's going to hit the pivot again. I'm going to close the class, but if you guys are going to stay in, this is what you got. So if you copy what I'm doing, put these on your notes there. So don't sell here, guys. Don't sell unless it hits 72.50, 72.50. That's in it. That'll make double tops for you. So don't sell. I mean, it's doing what it wants to do, but I don't see a sell. I do not see a sell signal whatsoever. I see a bounce to the upside. It's 69.25 to the upside. I see a huge bounce back to 70.25, 70, 71.25, 71. Yeah, 71.25. But I don't see a sell. It may try to sell, but always remember, look what happened here. You got an engulfing bar, you got it inverted. So these guys, these bad boys are doing what they want. So our job, like, you got to remember one thing is our job is just to go in there and take a couple points. If it runs 5, we want 2. If it runs 6, we want 3. So all we're looking for is a couple of points. You know how we trade. We trade 2 contracts, 4 contracts, 2 contracts, sometimes 1 contract just to see where the market is at. Once it breaks support or resistance, add another contract. Once it retraces and hits that resistance again, then we buy 2 more contracts. So we're always looking we're not looking to go crazy. We're not looking for home runs. All we're looking for is these small trades. Let me see, man. I can't see it selling. I mean, as far as the candle wise, I don't see it selling, but it's doing what it wants to do. Look what it's doing. So you have this engulfing huge inverted candle. So that means this is what this means. This means that if it was going to continue to the upside, right? I'm just going to make some notes here before I leave. You guys can copy these. Oh, there it is. There it is. Man, I can't get this mouse to move. Come on, man. So there you go. It has to cover that. I don't know why it's doing that. It has to cover that right there. No good. It's no bueno. So it would have to cover the previous inverted candle. It has to close solid here. So there it is. You're gone. You're off to the races now. Now you're off. You're solid. May retrace, but you're solid. So it's going to pop here to the upside. It's going to pop. So like I said, no selling unless you have a pattern. Even it retraces. I see it going up. I see it pushing up. One, it's because it covered this inverted, and there's inverted, and then it closed on top. So I see there's a possibility of going up. I mean, it's going to do what it wants to do. These guys they know where resistance is at. They know where support is at. They know it's a retracement. They know this should be to the upside. So they're doing what they want to do today. What is today? Tuesday or Wednesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday? Mm-hmm. I didn't expect this on Tuesday. Yeah, because all this here, believe it or not, this is all pushed to the upside. There it is. There's no reason for a price to go down. You got weakness. You got an inverted, right? You get an inverted, and then you get a hammer to offset the inverted candle. This should push. This should go all the way to 71. There it is, right there. All the way to 71. And look at that trash, man. You get an engulfing bar that closes, and then you get a dragon in the way down. Man. That's like frustrating because to me it's frustrating because I see weakness, and then I see a hammer, and then I get from the hammer a confirmation. I get an engulfing bar, and then I get a dragon. And I'm like, dude, you should be somewhere at 71, 71.50. You should be pushing. There's no reason for you to be stalling here or trying to sell. So, and also you got to remember, new traders that are coming in, man, they're clueless. They're clueless. There's no reason why they should be selling. This should have ramped up. There's no reason why this should be going down. Absolutely no reason. I mean, look, check this out. So you have a lower, higher low, comes back, but then it gives you bottoms. engulfing bar, engulfing, then you get an inverted engulfing hammer, engulfing, and then it's trying to sell. It doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. You got a hammer with an engulfing bar, and look what it's trying to do. That to me is trash. I wouldn't even be able to try to sell it. Price would have to come all the way down here to 67. Let me see, 67.50, 67 to convince me that it's going to retrace at 68, 67.75 to retrace a sell. This is not a sell. This is not telling you that the prices go down. It's going down. If you get in for a sell, if you get lucky and get a point, you got lucky, because there's a good chance that the bigger traders will see the weakness and push it back up. So this is not a sell. Look, if that candle closes here, which it didn't, so that means it's going to push down, right? There's pressure to the bottom. See, you got a mixed signal. This should have went down, but it's pushing back up. Look what's going on. See? You get into a sell and you get in trouble. This here, there's no reason why it's stopping here. You got an engulfing bar, you got a hammer, an engulfing bar. Now you get an inverted. Dude, I mean, those are the times where you just watch the market, stay out of the market, right? Watch the market, stay out of the market. Start using your resistance. Start using your support. And truly, this is not a sell. I don't even care if it sells. It's not a sell. How can you get a sell if you got an engulfing bar? An engulfing bar to the upside and then an inverted? Oh, man. I don't buy that. That's just, you got to remember that a lot of new traders cause all this trash here. They don't know what they're doing. They get nervous. They see a red candle and they want to sell. See a red candle, then they want to sell. But they don't understand that the institutional traders, these big traders, right? These big traders look at this as support. They'll run that price back up to 69.50. So that's crazy, man. I wouldn't sell. I'm just letting you guys know. Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Cool. Everybody cool in the morning. We'll see you guys in the morning. I'll be back. If you're going to stay in this trade, bro, I wouldn't sell it until it would come down to 60.50, 60, 65, 60.50, retrace 66. This is trash. This is all trash here. Super trash. Yeah, we can close that. You guys that are on Facebook, YouTube, and the other places. So we're shutting down here. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Have a good day, guys.